What is up, guys? It's Eddie Wingate here, and I'm showing you my bike. And so yeah, let me start off from up here. uh, I got a Mission stem, uh, fit bars, ODI grip that's really worn out. I got fit forks, fit tire, and a premium rim with a premium rub hub. My frame is a fit Aiken 2009. I got uh, stock crank arms, shadow chain, 20 Odyssey 25 sprocket with black label pedals. I got a kink seat. Um, I got a stock back rim. I don't know how to say the name, but yeah, it's 9 tooth and 25 teeth. And I got this new tire probably like a week ago. It's pretty good. It's called Vice Grip. I don't know.